How to find the balance of your R wallet within the UTS mobile application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can find the wallet balance of your UTS mobile application. So if you want to find or fetch the balance of your UTS mobile application, the first thing that you will need to do is open up your UTS application. So the steps are almost similar for the Android and iOS devices. So let's start. So let's open up our UTS mobile application. So simply tap on this and the application will open and you will be greeted with an interface like this. Now in order to find the wallet amount, or let's say the wallet balance, you need to make sure that you have selected the journey ticket option, and under this particular section you can see this button that says R wallet. So simply click onto this R wallet button, and from here it will fetch your current balance. As you can see, my current balance is 0. So if you want to recharge, you can simply click onto this recharge wallet button, and apart from that, if you want to access the recharge history, you can click here over the recharge history and it will fetch all the transactions. Apart from that, you also have this option of passbook as well, which will display all of the transactions, both incoming and outgoing, from your R wallet. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, do make sure to drop us a like and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.